Hey guys, we're back again today. As you can see, it did snow in Oklahoma City. And yeah, my Packers won yesterday, the NFC North. But I was just trying to show you guys a quick video on how we did on the emblem, on the lid, the trunk lid of the Taurus. Feel free to like, subscribe if you haven't done so. But it's pretty much a quick video. It's a straightforward kind of deal, and shouldn't take anybody more than 10-15 minutes if you have all the tools. Okay, so pretty much these are the tabs for that trim. It's a single piece, and I did take it out just to make sure that, as you can see, the other piece that goes in there, that I can have my wire go through there, because the emblem stands somewhere around here on the outside. So it's basically a squeeze. If you have a nose plier, long nose plier, you can pinch it and then push it out, or you can be pinching it on the inside while you're using your prying tool on the outside to poke it up. Yeah, I will still have this thing here, but it's gonna be dealt with. But that was not the focus. The focus was here. So you have 1, 2, and 3, and when you do poke those and you lay your emblem on the outside, you can pass the wire here, which is what I did, because here is too tight. I kind of twisted it around here, and all of this of course is going to be covered up with the cover. The wire came back down here, and I used my tape to tape it out so it doesn't seem too obvious when you do so. Now when that's done, you can come back down here and you can pick it up. As you can see, that's the connector for that light, and the wires you want to tap into, which equates to the side markers, are the light blue wire and the black wire. So I tap into the light blue and the black. The black goes to the ground on our emblem, and the red, which is the power, goes to the light blue. When you get those two secure, you come back up here with your wire and you go ahead and connect them. I kind of use a headbutt connector and some electrical tape as well. You can use whatever you really feel comfortable using. When that is done, make sure that you check your fuse to make sure that your fuse is on there. It's supposed to be a 15 amp fuse. 15 millimeter. It's supposed to be a 15 amp fuse. Don't upgrade the fuse, because that can cause a bunch of problems. Your wires can melt and all that stuff. So leave it at 15. It shouldn't bother you much. Shouldn't do anything to the car. But when you have that done, you're pretty much set. You go ahead and you insert your trim back in there. And I'm going to show you, this is the trim piece I'm talking about. One of the tabs I showed you is about here. This is the tab that has the logo, which is just double-sided 3M tape, and you can pry that out gradually or use a rope and take out whatever you have initially. And the other tab is about here, so you don't really need to take everything out. I did because I was refinishing this, but you don't really have to. You just have to poke those 3 little spots out, and you should be able to have enough room to stick your cord in there, because there are 3 holes, 1, 2, and 3. There are 3 holes on the actual trim. Stick your cord in there, pass it on the back side, and just follow up as I said. The end result is really good. It definitely stands out. Let me see if I can unlock it, because the advantage is, by being on that side marker, if you unlock it, you can't really see, but you see it comes up and it stays on as far as those are on, which a lot of time they are on. And even when the car is running, a lot of time if it's on automatic, it's going to stay on. Now I don't really care much about it being on during the day, because I really want it to be on during the night, to the contrary of the front grille that I want it on all the time when the car runs. So this is one of those that's going to be on. As you can see, it went off because the side marker went. Alright guys, so as you could see, it works pretty well. Definitely was an easy upgrade. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I put in the description in the links to the product in the description below. Let me know if you have any questions, so we're happy to help you, and go Packers.